This is a demonstration of a random number generator disguised as a US state population generator. It is a sample of the populations based on the 2020 United States Census, including the population of the United States as the 50 states plus the District of Columbia, but excluding the territories, and obviously, since the freely associated states are not part of the US, so Puerto Rico is not included, only the 50 states in DC. So I'm going to do Python 3.12 random.py. It's going to do the random number generator 500 times, and the states are supposed to be printed roughly in proportion to the populations of their respective states. I'm going to do the pipe to less here, and this is just an example of the random generator. Please keep in mind that you'll see each state about as frequently as the state's population percentage relative to the United States. The proportions are very close. So that's why you'll see a lot more of the larger states with population than the smaller ones. So it's not equal chance. I'm doing it based on actual populations because it's not evenly distributed. Now, what about if I did the sort and less? If I do sort, this is another way that it shows up. Again, basically in the same frequency as the populations of each respective state. How about doing it with the unique rather? This is an example, and finally, WC. It depends, so depending on how you run it, now the leftmost column shows the number of states plus the District of Columbia that are represented. So the maximum is 51. But District of Columbia may or may not be represented. Check the unique function. This one does not have the District of Columbia. This one has DC but does not have Delaware.